Welcome to your first step into the world of affiliate marketing. It's a place where you can transform your passion for products into profits, all from the comfort of your own home. But what exactly is affiliate marketing? Simply put, it's the process of earning a commission by promoting other people's or companies' products. You find a product you like, promote it to others, and earn a piece of the profit for each sale that you make. One of the greatest benefits of affiliate marketing is the opportunity to generate passive income. Unlike a traditional job, affiliate marketing doesn't require you to clock in and out. You can work from anywhere, at any time that suits you. It's a flexible, rewarding way to earn an income. Now that you know what affiliate marketing is and the benefits it offers, let's dive into how you can get started. The first step in starting affiliate marketing is to choose your niche. The niche you choose can be the difference between success and failure, so it's essential to choose wisely. Think about your personal interests or areas of expertise. Are you a fitness enthusiast, or perhaps a tech geek? Your niche should resonate with you. This alignment not only makes your journey more enjoyable but also authentic. A well-defined niche is like having a compass in the wilderness of the internet. It guides your marketing efforts, ensuring you reach the right audience, the people who are genuinely interested in what you have to say, and the products you are promoting. The more specific your niche, the better. It helps you stand out from the crowd, become an authority, and increases your chances of success. Remember, your niche should be something you are passionate about and interested in. It's time to move on to the next step. After defining your niche, the next step is to join an affiliate program. There's a wide range of programs out there like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and many others. Each program offers a unique set of products and commission rates, so it's important to choose one that aligns with your chosen niche. So how do you select the right program? Start by researching the products offered by each program. Are they relevant to your niche? If you're blogging about tech gadgets, for example, Amazon Associates might be a good fit because it offers a wide range of tech products. Next, consider the commission rates. Some programs might offer higher rates than others. But remember, high commission rates are not always synonymous with high earnings. It's about finding the right balance between product relevance and earning potential. When you've found the right program, the sign-up process is usually straightforward. You'll typically need to provide some basic information about yourself and your promotional strategies. Once you've joined an affiliate program, you're ready to start promoting products. With an affiliate program in place, it's time to start promoting products. There are several ways you can go about this, but the most effective methods usually involve using your blog, social media, or email marketing. When using your blog, make sure to create quality content that provides value to your readers. This could be a product review, a how-to guide, or even a list of tips. Now let's talk about social media. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are great for promoting products because they allow you to connect with your audience on a more personal level. Remember, authenticity is key. Next up is email marketing. This method allows you to reach your audience directly, right in their inbox. You can share updates, special offers, or exclusive content with your subscribers. Remember, the heart of affiliate marketing is providing genuine value to your audience. Effective promotion is key to successful affiliate marketing. Let's now wrap things up. Congratulations, you now know the basic steps to start affiliate marketing. We've covered a lot today, from understanding what affiliate marketing is, to choosing your niche and joining an affiliate program. We've also delved into effective strategies for promoting affiliate products. Remember, affiliate marketing is an excellent way to generate passive income, and it allows you to work from anywhere at any time. It's a journey that requires patience and consistency, but the rewards can be well worth it. So are you excited about the potential of affiliate marketing? Can you see yourself applying these steps and starting your own affiliate marketing venture? Was this video helpful in understanding how to start affiliate marketing? Are you ready to embark on your affiliate marketing journey? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos like this one. Until next time, happy marketing!